Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Kampo Ying jong kasor Karjela ubala kemen Rymbui. Habakren syakilat pathai kubor halor ke jingdawa kasor ke Buhrieh nyautrem ban pensitom yagitu ki Buhrieh ki badan kti ban penyap yu ba cherista feel thank you. Ula ong bahalor ke Kaiphod la Kren Shai ya ke Kyrteng jong ki Buhrieh badai ban Buhrieh Shwa. Ti kum tama ki le kat kum ka Kaiphod balayo. Bat halor ke jing bom hun kasor ke Buhrieh nyautrem ya kini ka Kaiphod bat kala ruban mi ke jeki. Na kaliang uba Rymbui uklem jubab Henry usu ong baon sapej halor kani.
Haka report kala ong Shai ba ya ka Kyrteng jong ki Buhrieh deiban Buhrieh dan kada haka report te ngile ako ba report
te kadaw ma ba Buhrieh na Kyrteng jong ki Buhrieh
tan ka report ka ong kada labi pe kata sla ka balai la ka bakla ke si pang ke nesri think bagi de ban le gin le ma ke Buhrieh nyo to kim mun ya kan report ka ba la kan di tarati kala ban mi ke dingi ti dan ni mun la de let's wait and see ma as I said, you have seen in the action taken report. In that report itself, very serious mentioned everything. So kindly go through the report then. So you have seen in the report itself that the Honorable Chief Minister have in the action taken report has mentioned what is to be done and what is to be done. So let's wait. No, we will address the law, not all issue. We'll address it separately. Okay. The report has been placed in the House. So the government will see, and moreover, I think the honorable member also will have time to discuss. So we'll see.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.